You could hop online and spend a couple $100 on some nesting boxes for your chickens, but you're gonna drop that kind of cash on something that your birds are gonna use to poop their eggs into? I don't think so. Why buy it when you can build it for cheap? Mancycle. Hey y'all, today I'm building a double barrel nesting box for chickens with a little bit of lumber and a pair of plastic totes that I'm upcycling because they lost their lids. But Lieutenant Dan, you ain't got no lids! Materials and tools needed include two 2x4x8 boards, two 1x3x8s, and then two upcycled totes with at least 12 inches of length, width, and height inside for nesting boxes. That's what would be the best. For screws, I'm using 3-inch and 1 1/4-inch sheetrock screws, the 3-inch for building the frame and the 1 1/4-inch for attaching the totes and attaching the 1x3s. Why did I choose these screws? Because that's what I had in my garage. Yes, sir. Also gonna need a 20-volt drill with a driver to match your screws, and a chop saw, and a square. To start out, I measured the length of both totes side by side at almost 39 inches. Perfect for dropping them lukewarm, golden, delicious eggs. Here's my cut list for 2x4s, along with a diagram of the frame as shown from above. Gonna need two 39-inch 2x4s, two 20-inch 2x4s, and four 18-inch 2x4s for legs, with the option of a 60-degree angle cut to improve stability. After cutting my boards, I assembled them as shown using my 3-inch screws. As mentioned, I'm cutting my leg boards with a 60-degree angle for added stability. Next, I attached my totes to the top of the frame using 1 1/4-inch screws. Though it's not essential, I changed to an impact drill for better clearance. Now for the 1x3s. I cut one 39-inch board, one 42-inch board, and two 48-inch boards. I attached the 39-inch 1x3 in front of the nesting boxes, in front of the entrances, overlapping the 2x4 below just a bit so that I could anchor to it. This board will act as an egg stop. Don't want those yummy little baby birds, I mean eggs, rolling out now, do we? The 42-inch board will sit flat across the front edge of the 20-inch frame boards to act as a walkway for the chickens. Finally, the two 48-inch 1x3s will act as a walkway up to the nesting boxes. There it is. No more collecting nasty poop-laden chicken eggs from the bottom of your coop. Your birds can drop these hot ones in style.